Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll discuss with the second type of nucleotide sequence database, primary database, that is DDBJ. We can see that this DDBJ stands for the terminology DNA Data Bank of Japan, and it started in 1986. It is hosted at National Institute of Genetics, NIG. And what is its main purpose? It mainly collect data mainly from the scientists of Japan and also from the other parts of the country and also from the other parts of the world, and they share this nucleotide sequences, primary sequences, with the other sources like EMBL and GenBank. And how can we access this? We can access it with the from the homepage http www.ddbj.nig, that is National Institute of Genetics .ac.gjp. And we could see that this database is officially certified one, which which collects the nucleotide sequences from the researchers all over the world, and it issues a internationally accessed accession number to the data submitters. And we can see that about 99% of the nucleotide sequences which is available is being submitted by DDBJ in the consortium that we have already seen, the International Sequence Database Consortium, that is INSDC, International Nucleotide Sequence Database Consortium, which include the consortium of DDBJ, EMBL, and the GenBank. So, the in that consortium, the majority of these sequences are being submitted by or being contributed by the DDBJ. Next, we can see that this database plays a major role. So here we could say that it play a major role or a great contribution it is having in the case of INSDC. And here in this DDBJ database, we could see that the database entry, which it is having a a scientific way of presentation, that is it includes what all are being included in the database are that if there is one submission, it has that submission, that sequences or that particular submission will have the details of sequences, it have the submitter's detail, it may be having the bibliographic reference if it is from a research work or something. It may be have it also includes the biological significance. It also includes the scientific name of that particular organism whose sequence has been added, and also the taxonomy of the organism. Other than that, some other additional features are also tabulated, like coding regions in that sequence, transcription units, mutation sites, etc. So we could see that the major activity of this database include, so we could summarize as providing internationally recognized accession number to the submissions. Second thing is that to manage this databases, that is by this data bioinformatic database. Third one is to developing tools for the, already there is a submission. So this database is also responsible to develop tools which can analyze and visualize the biological data. And the fourth one is to conduct courses for the introductory courses to for the beginners, so that there is a so that there could be a reduction in the complexity of biological data analysis. So that's all for DDBJ. Thank you.